hellebores is getting ready to bloom. Look at this. Wow, I'm so excited. They bloom in the winter. Isn't that weird? They bloom in the winter and the flower lasts a long time, all the way to the spring. There are some buds in there. It probably damaged a little bit with when it froze. Yeah, about a week ago it froze here. And look at that, they're blooming. They're starting to bloom. They're beautiful plants, and I love these plants because they've started blooming in the winter, and they look so amazing, and I love them. They're very easy to grow. I just put in a flower pot for now, but I will repot them. I will plant them into the garden directly, because the flower pot is just, you know, it's hard to take care of. So I'm just gonna plant them directly into the garden. Beautiful. And it's got these really hard leaves, you know, that can survive through the winter or snow and even freezing. And that's what's so amazing about these plants. Look how beautiful that is. It's like maroon color. There's so many flowers in here, so many buds. I have another one I'm gonna video. It's also getting ready to start, and that one is pink. So look at this, guys. My hellebore is just opening now. It's really, really pretty. So gorgeous. Look at that. It's starting to open. Oh, I love it. I love it. And these are my bluebills. Look at that. They're starting to grow. I mean, it's been really warm here. We haven't had a really hard snow or a hard freeze. We haven't had that. Just a slight freeze. And they're starting to grow. Look at that. I still haven't raked all the leaves here inside the yard. So, more of my bluebells. Pretty soon it's gonna start blooming. Bluebells right here. Gorgeous, can't wait. This is primrose. It's getting ready to put out a bloom. A lot of them, look at that. That's my primrose. It's perennial. So here's my other hellebores. There's some bloom here. It's getting ready to open. Look at that. This one is pink. It's got a hard frost on this one, but it's starting to bloom. It's really, really cool. These are my hyacinth. They're getting ready to come out. Look at that. There's that bloom right there, hyacinth. I bought some more, and I'm getting ready to plant it because it's I should have planted it last fall. And see right here, these are hyacinth. It's pretty cool. My garlic, it's starting to come out. See, it looks like allium. The flower on this one looks just like allium. It's purple, and that's what it looks like right here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful flower. It's millennium garlic. It's a new product that I got last year from Lowe's. These are my primrose. It survived the winter. It's still winter, but I don't think we're gonna get any more freezing point of the primrose. So it stayed green. Here's my lemon tree. It froze. Lots of buds. All the buds lost. More right here. So lost all the buds. It's too bad. Because they bloom in the winter, you know. Fall or winter, that's when they bloom. And if I bring it inside a house, then all the leaves will fall out and all the blooms will fall out, or the buds. It's kind of sad, but you know, it's too cold for citrus here in Washington State. Very, very cold. I'm surprised this palm tree is growing. I'm surprised that it's still growing, you know, as cold as it is here. So here are my indoor daisies, still growing. Can't wait to put it out. And here's my lemongrass in tanglad. I'm gonna repot that as soon as after winter. And I have another daisy here. This one's still good, still blooming. It's pretty. And I have one more on the other side. And this one is also daisy right here. And this is my window garden. These all are waiting for the good weather. When it start getting 50 degrees and above, I'm gonna start putting them all out. And these are some of my orchids here. Some are getting ready to bloom, and some are blooming beautiful right here. It's kind of dark. And here's my one and only Vanda right here, still alive. Hopefully it'll be able to put out bloom this year. There's another one that's in full bloom. Still some buds, orchids right here. This is what it looks like right here in the flower pot. You know, I so love this flower pot that I got from Lowe's for my orchids. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It's right here. It's got lots of holes in there. It's clear plastic and it's got lots of holes. It's perfect for orchids. So this is how I would water my orchids indoor. I got this bucket. It's basically one of the Halloween baskets, the biggest one. I buy them at the dollar store. I get it for like 99 cents. And I fill it up with water and treat it with fertilizer. And that's what I do. I use just regular fertilizer for it. And this one is getting ready to put out a bloom, this orchid. So I just dunk all my flower pot in here until it's soaked up. And then this one is putting out a bloom here pretty soon. Look at that. These are some of my orchids. And also I have this daisy here, looks sick, but it's not. It'll get better once I put it outside. It's putting out more bloom, see that? And there's buds right here. And there's another bloom right here. It's gorgeous. That's gonna continue to bloom as soon as I put it outside. And these are my orchids in the kitchen. And see, look at that one there. It's got beautiful bloom. I have in video. So this is just a walk around in my garden and also my indoor garden. And these are my orchids here inside. And I have this light right here that's on 24/7. And I have this sweet potato right here that I put right there, started. And then remember this plant right here? There's so much new plants coming out, a snake plant. There's so many new plants coming out. And here's my other Christmas cactus right here. This is a, I bought it about 2020, I believe. And here are the rest of my orchids right here on the window. And one of them has a full bloom right here. It's a white orchid. Looks really pretty. That aloe vera I have, it was like this small. And look how big it is now. It is so big, it just expanded. It's getting too big for the flower pot. I need to repot this one because it's getting so big. Look how big this plant is. Look, see how big that is? It grew. It's outgrowing its flower pot. Look at that. So tiny. I picked this up. Someone gave this to me. The neighbor. Because she said she didn't know how to take care of it. It was for her daughter. But her daughter moved to Hawaii, so she gave it away. And so I got it. Now it's growing like crazy. I put this outside during when it's warm weather. And then I bring it indoors. My air plant, still growing. Still here, providing new plants. Now it used to be just one, now it's got 3 plants in there. Can't wait till it's gets warm outside so I can put all my plants. My Oncidium doesn't have any bloom at all, but it's got so many shooter bulbs in there. There's no bloom. Hopefully it'll put out bloom this year if I leave it outside.